Hi and welcome to Miss Kate Cuttable's 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a sunflower with some bees on it. One of them is flying around. This is easy to put together, not too many layers. You don't have to use the bees if you don't want. You don't have to use all the sunflower layers. I'm just there to give you options. So in the upper left hand side you can see the print and cut. Just ignore my Diet Coke can up there, sorry. That's what it will look like when it's all done. So you can see the bee on the left hand side of the flower has a little flourish behind it. So what I did was just kind of tape the very last part of it and glue it to the bottom of the flower and glue the actual bee itself to the top. Make sure you subscribe to Miss Kate Cuttable's YouTube channel, hit the like button, subscribe. Wait, did I already say that? Hit the notification bell, and we will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.